If I showed you a short video with 5 different clips, all taken with 5 different DJI drones, do you think you could tell the difference? Well, stick around, let's find out. I'm sure at some point in our lives we've all gotten trapped into the mindset of newer is better. And that's certainly true about the drone industry. Seems like every month we're coming out with something newer and better and more expensive, something we have to have with all the marketing hype we listen to. But do we really need it? Is newer always better? We end up getting trapped into saying if what we have is good, what we don't have must be better. But is it? I'm going to show you a short video with 5 different clips taken by 5 different DJI drones. One will be taken with the Mini SE, one with the Air 2S, one with the Mavic 2 Pro, one with the Mavic 3, and finally one with the Inspire 2. See if you can tell which one is which. So, how did you do? Let's take a look at clip number 1. All right, this was taken with a Mini SE. Now, I've got a story to tell you about this one. A couple of months ago, I was on a motorcycle trip up to Missouri for a BMW rally, and I decided to go on up to the Lake of the Ozarks and do some filming up there. Now, I'm fortunate to have a lot of different drones to choose from, but unfortunately, I had limited space, and the SE was the only thing I could take. So, I took it up there, did a nice little rise-up reveal shot of the Lake of the Ozarks, and I think came up with a pretty good shot. Colors are good, focus is good, detail is good. No blown out spots, no crushed spots. I think it turned out pretty good. And one thing to remember too, all of these video clips I'm going to show you were color graded with DaVinci Resolve Studio Edition, so I have made some adjustments. So let's take a look. Here's before color grading, and here's after. So you can see a difference, right? Moving on to clip number 2. All right, this was taken with an Air 2S. And this was located near Fort Drum Marsh out towards Vero Beach, Florida. Good shot. I like the movement of it. I like seeing the birds fly through it. I like the movement of the shot. What about color grading? Let's look at before and now after. Okay, what about clip number 3? That was taken with our newest drone, the Mavic 3, and I think it has outstanding colors to it. The story of this one is we were out at Sebastian Inlet on the east coast of Florida, waiting for the Artemis rocket launch, which of course was scrubbed, but while we were there, I decided to take some shots around the area, and this is what I came up with. So here it is before the color grade, and here it is after the color grade. Again, I think some massive improvement right there. But the Mavic 3 gave me enough leeway to allow me to be able to do that with my color grading. Clip number 4. Okay, you can tell this is a late fall day somewhere, right? This was taken with the Mavic 2 Pro up near Chiefland, Florida, actually hovering over the Swanee River right there. Again, another good shot. I think it works real well for that time of year and bringing out the oranges. And here it is before color grading. And here it is after. And finally, clip number 5, well, that must be the Inspire 2, right? That was taken up near Sunset Beach, North Carolina. Fall day, good colors, and I enhanced them some with the DaVinci Resolve Studio Edition. And here it is before color grading. And here it is after. So how did you do? Did you guess pretty well? Doesn't really matter. What is my point here? Well, my point is you don't have to have the newest, most expensive, high-tech drone out there to compete in this industry. Your money is better spent concentrating on improving your piloting skills, your cinematography, editing techniques, storytelling, all the things that surround this kind of product. So spend your time and money on that. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you feel like it, please share it with your friends. That would be greatly appreciated. And as always, thank you so much for watching.